2 weeks today. Video I posted a little while ago. They weren't doing an awful lot, but I thought I'd just catch this moment when there's a little bit more activity going on. Because Mum's obviously just finished feeding them prematurely as far as they're concerned. And they obviously want to carry on feeding, so they're all a little bit fired up. Mum's back again. As you can see, they're up on the toes now. Some of them actually walking. I don't know if Mum's intending to resume feeding, but they obviously think that she ought to. Cleaning them up, getting them to toilet. This is certainly the busiest I've seen them. And as you can see, a few of them there are almost walking, albeit a little unsteadily. It does look as though Mum's decided that feeding needs to resume. Things settling down, and with that I'll bid you farewell, definitely this time until next week. Bye for now.